Hi guys, my name is Bryce Paden and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about people first language. So what is it? It is used to communicate appropriately and respectfully with and about an individual with a disability. I didn't know this until I started reading some articles that about 1 in 4 have some form of a disability. People first language respectfully puts the person before the disability. And so why is this so important? Words are very powerful, as we all know, and we normally don't understand the weight of the words we say and what effect that has on others. Language is the first way to devalue someone, so we have to be very sensitive on what we say and how we say it. Some examples of language being used, and language that I've heard myself would just be, crippled. I hate to say this word, retard or retarded, special ed, or you're autistic. These have been used as insults towards people, as well as describing those with a disability. And I think the sensitivity of that goes back to children and them learning that it is important to understand disabilities, and be able to talk about them without a negative impact on the person that they're describing, because we don't want that, and it's just kind of unnecessary. So what are some words or phrases that would be appropriate? To go back to the others, such and such uses a wheelchair. They are not bound by the wheelchair. The wheelchair helps them. So, whatever the name is, uses a wheelchair. The next one, he has a learning disability. He or she has a learning disability. They're not, they don't need to say mentally retarded. He or she, they have a learning disability. He or she receives special education services. Or blank has autism. They aren't autistic. It's, we should say blank has autism and put the child first. And our goal at Riverside is to, make everyone feel equal, to make certain everyone is respected, and that everyone understands the importance of using people first language. It's so important, and like I said, it starts at an early age, and discussing disabilities, understanding, getting the kids to understand that not everybody is perfect, and there's a good chance that them or somebody they know has a disability of some sort, or mental disorder, and we need to make those more common, and so they aren't demeaning to the children, and that's ultimately what we're doing, and not used in any other language that could be demeaning to anybody else. I'll leave you with this last quote. Until we learn to appreciate the power of language and its importance of using it responsibly, we will continue to produce negative social consequences for those victimized by dangerous language habits. And here are my references. Thank you very much.